Hello everyone, so welcome back to another Starlink testing video. Today in some quite extreme conditions. As you can see, we are on top of Berninapass in Switzerland, and there's quite some snow here, and temperatures are also pretty low, so we're just around freezing or a bit below, so like -1 Celsius. So let's go and have a look at the speeds that we are getting and see how well Starlink works up here. So let's follow the cable back to the router. Which is here at the car, so I'm using the car as a power source because Starlink does actually use quite a lot of power. But here you can see is the Starlink setup. We have the power injector and also the Starlink router here. You might be able to see the little white light there. It's working. Here you can see I have my phone, and you can see it's connected to the Starlink 5 GHz network. So let's open up the Ookla speed test app. And that's a speed test I did before, so let's run another speed test and see what kind of speeds we are getting now. So we are nicely in the 200s here. So around 200 down and around 30 up. It's dropping a little bit now, about roughly 30 or so up. And also our latencies, we can see 64 unloaded and around 200 in download loaded and about 150 in upload loaded. So let's run another speed test here. Okay, so this time we are almost getting 300. Wow, okay. We're getting really good connection now. 294 down and about 20 up. So upload has dropped a bit, but we got some amazing download numbers right there. Okay, and also our ping has gone down. We're at 52 unloaded and 190 loaded and down and 164 loaded and upload. Let's do another speed test. And now we are much slower, so might be changing satellites or just general sort of variance that you will have to expect with Starlink. So we're getting about 170 down, and the upload is slow, but it's coming up there. About 15 megabits upload. So let's also quickly have a look at a ping. Just a ping to 8.8.8, which is Google's public DNS. And we're sort of, we lost one there, but we're roughly around the 50 millisecond mark here. And let's also try a trace route to see where we're going. So yeah, we're taking over quite a few hops, and what you can also still see here is that we do still use CGNAT because our second gateway there is 100 dot something IP address, which is unfortunate, but I guess we still have to wait to get public IP addresses natively supported on Starlink. But yeah, that pretty much concludes the test of Starlink today up here in very snowy conditions on top of Berninapass, as you can see right here. So I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you learned something, and see you next time. Bye.